Begin installation by removing the headrest from your front seat. Next, line up the airbag tag on the cover with the airbag found on your front seat. Proceed to slide the cover over the seat back. Adjust for fit as you work your way down to the seat. Locate the push bar connected to the middle of the seat cover and push it through the seat crevice as far as you can go. This will help to keep things in place once the cover is installed. Next, wrap the bottom portion of the cover over the seat before adjusting for fit. Locate the straps found on each side of the seat bottom and attach one of the provided hooks to each. These will connect to the straps found on the back side of the seat cover. Locate the straps found on the back side of the seat cover and attach one of the provided hooks to each. Reach under the seat and pull through one seat strap before connecting it to the back strap found on the same side. Repeat this step for the straps found on the other side. Lastly, reinsert the headrest through the pre-made opening on top of the cover before wrapping it with the headrest cover. Any questions? Feel free to reach out. We're more than happy to help.